Good morning, everyone. If you are new to my channel, then welcome. My name is Kate, and if this is not your first time watching one of my videos, then welcome back. Today we are in my bathroom again. I'm going to go over some tips and tricks, hacks I guess you would call them, of things that I'm doing in my bathroom now just to help my week run a bit more smoothly. If you're like me and you either have a very small bathroom, or you have only one bathroom, or you have multiple people using the same bathroom, I myself are in that category, in all of those categories, then this video might be helpful for you. These hacks, tips are not mind-blowing. You may have seen them on other videos, but I know for me they are definitely realistic, and they have helped me just to keep everything a bit more clean and tidy and organized in my very small bathroom with lots of people, teenagers, using the said bathroom. So let's get into this video, and yeah, hopefully these hacks will help you a little bit like they have with me. My first hack is very simple, but it's one that should be common sense, but probably we don't always do it, and that is to remove all of the cleaning products, facial products, toothpaste, soaps, containers, etc. off all of your surfaces so that you can have just a clean slate to be working with, and then to work from the top of the bathroom downwards. Now, this is a professional cleaning tip or trick, hack, and this is just to ensure that any dust or dirt, anything that is on the ceiling or the walls or any of those surfaces up high, that all of that is going to be cleaned first and then fall to the bottom, so that you're collecting all of the dirt and debris right at the end of the clean. It's always going to be so much harder for us in any room, not only our bathroom, if there's clutter and just products clogging up a surface so that you can't actually clean the surface properly. We just need quick and efficient ways of cleaning, and I think this hack definitely helps with that. My next hack is to clean the shower while you are in there, and if it's not you that's in there cleaning, then it can be anyone else that's in your family as well. In my household, there's 4 of us, so myself and 3 teenagers, and we all have a part of the shower that we are responsible for cleaning. So it's not just falling on one person every time. So the walls and the floor of my shower is what my teenagers do, and then I'm in charge of the glass doors. But if someone's going to be in the shower anyway, using the water, then why not take advantage of that time to actually just spend another minute in there? That's really all that it would take to just give the walls and the floor and the doors a quick scrub down. And if that's being done, multiple times over the week, it doesn't have to be done every day, then you're going to have a regularly sparkling and shining clean shower. A wonderful tool to have in your shower is to have one of these scrubby dish brushes in your shower all the time. So you can buy these so cheaply from the supermarket, from Poundland, from the dollar store, wherever you are in the world, you'll be able to get hold of these very, very easily and cheaply. This one here that I've got has got a brush on one side and then a non-scratch scrubby pad on the other, and you can just put whatever you want into the handle of this said brush, but I'm going to pop just some simple dishwashing liquid and then a little bit of vinegar as well, which will just help to shine any surfaces that you are going to be scrubbing, and it also can have the effect of breaking down some hard water spots. But if you keep one of these in your shower, then you've at hand got a cleaning tool that anybody can use. You can also use it to scrub other areas in your bathroom. It's just a really handy tool to have in there and so simple and effective to use. My next hack is to use this squeegee tool whenever the shower is going to be getting wet. So we all know that if we're using the shower again and again and again, and it's not being wiped down with either a cloth or a squeegee tool like this, then that hard water and soap scum can just build up over time, and it can be quite difficult to remove if we're just leaving it there without doing anything to it. So this squeegee tool is so cheap and easy to come by as well, just like the scrubby shower brush that I just mentioned. So again, you can buy them from a $1 store, Poundland if you're in the UK. I got mine just from Kmart. You can get them from a DIY store, even your supermarket. They're super easy to come by. But if you just keep it in your shower, you can either put it on a little hook or just have it in the shower leaning against the wall. And then everybody just needs to know that once they've had a shower and they're about to get out, that they can just easily squeegee down the shower doors, and that soap scum and the hard water deposits will just not build up over time. Let's talk a little bit about cleaning caddies. Oh my gosh, these are wonderful storage tools to use. You can use these type of caddies for storing extra shampoos and conditioners and body wash items that you have in the bottom of your shower. It just means that you can lift everything up when you're going to clean it, and it just makes it so much easier to move everything around and have it all in one place. They are wonderful to keep all of your cleaning products in one space, so that when you go to clean your bathroom or another area, you can just lift it all up and it's all in one place ready to use. If you don't have a cleaning caddy in your bathroom, then you can also create another storage system like I have here in my bathroom. It's just tucked into the corner, so you can't really see it, but I have just stored my cleaning products and some other bath products on this shelf, which just keeps it all nice and neat and tucked away. But just find a caddy that is the right size for your bathroom and for the cleaning products that you're wanting to store in there, and then they'll be there ready to use when you are needing them. My next hack is to clean your mirrors with shaving foam. Now this seems like a bit of an odd hack, but it does actually work. So just simply spray some shaving foam, any shaving foam, onto your mirror and give it a good wipe over. Rub it all in until you can't see it anymore, and it really, really is effective at just keeping your mirror, stopping your mirror from misting up if you've got a small bathroom, and especially if your ventilation is poor as well in your bathroom. This will work really well. My next hack, which is especially wonderful for small bathrooms, is to utilize the vertical space that you have on your walls by using hooks or other wall containers as extra storage, or just to hang towels and things like that on. You can buy these really wonderful storage solutions that use suction to stick onto your walls. They can go onto any dry surface, so the inside of your showers, the outside of your shower doors, onto walls in your bathroom. As long as it's a clean and dry surface, then you can make these suction type storage solutions work for you. I just would recommend that you spend a little bit more money though on getting the higher quality suction storage solutions. Otherwise, you'll be disappointed if you buy something that's a bit cheaper and the suction doesn't actually work and they just end up falling onto the floor. That's really frustrating. Let's talk about baking soda. If you're wanting to use more natural, chemical-free type products in your home, then baking soda can be a wonderful option. It is a natural deodorizer. It can help to remove some stains, and as we know, it is a great natural abrasive. I have found it really useful to mix with some dishwashing liquid and a little bit of water and make it into a paste, and you can actually scrub out your bath using this mixture. It is also very effective if you mix it with some hydrogen peroxide and then the abrasive qualities of the baking soda and the bleaching qualities of the hydrogen peroxide can be really effective for scrubbing grout and other simple stains that you've got in your bathroom. And then it's also really useful to be mixing with some essential oils. You can just sprinkle some in the bottom of a bin, and it's a natural deodorizer, and then obviously the lovely smell from the essential oils. It's just very safe and efficient and cost effective to be using as a chemical-free cleaning product in your home. My next hack is to use a flathead spray mop for cleaning your walls, your tiles in your bathroom and your floor. You can get these types of mops anywhere. They come on the spectrum of the more cost-effective type mop, or you can actually spend quite a lot of money on them as well, depending on what brand you get. They are so great for just using to wipe down your walls or your tiles. In my bathroom, as you can see, I have these tiles that go right up to the top of my ceiling. So the mop is wonderful for just getting to those high spaces. You just fill the little container with the cleaning liquid of your choice, and it's a super quick way of cleaning your floors during the week. The cleaning pad is just velcroed on, so that is easy to take off and just pop it into the wash, and it's nice and fresh for the next time that you use it. Let's move into the toilet space now. My next hack is to remove your toilet seat on a regular basis so that you can give your toilet a really good clean. This hack is brilliant, especially if you have lots of boys in your household where the aim into the toilet may be missed a lot of the time. With most modern day toilets, you are going to have the ability to take off the toilet seat. There is either one button or two buttons just on the hinges of the toilet seat that you can push in and completely remove the whole thing for easy cleaning. I like to take it off and just pop it into my bath and give it a really good scrub down. And then this means you can also get into those areas underneath the toilet seat, which are tricky to get to. Even if you did this hack once a week or every fortnight, at least you'll know that everything on your toilet is super clean. And my last hack, which is probably the most important of all of the hacks, is to keep decluttering, decluttering, decluttering. We can't keep any of our spaces in our homes clean and tidy and organized on a regular basis if we have too much stuff that is clogging up these areas. Everything in each room in our home should have a space, a permanent home that it goes back to, so that we don't have our surfaces clogged up with all of these items and we can actually see what we've got, and we're not buying double ups of things because we don't actually know what we've got in our homes. So I encourage you just to keep going with those small consistent habits of decluttering. Every little bit of work that you do over time, it's going to accumulate and build up, and you will have a successful outcome in the end. So those were my top hacks or tips for keeping your bathroom clean and tidy and organized. I hope this really has helped someone. I know they really are very simple tips, but I know for myself, I like something that is going to be realistic and effective and helpful. We are all on a journey, hey, to be trying to find things that work for us in our homes and make our life easier, not harder. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.